Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make text animations in Capcut. First of all, open the Capcut application. Click on New Project. Select a particular photo you want to use. Footage is in processing. Click on Try it now. Tap on Add. Click on Photo and drag it. After that, click on Text from the bottom bar menu. Now tap on Add Text and enter the text you want. Go back and tap on Style from below. There are different text styles along with different colors. Select them according to your choice. Go back and tap on Effects. Here, go to the animation. Select the animation which you want to add to your text. This will add animation to your text in Capcut. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.